providing insight into this mechanism. Caution: the Biomat and Acoustic Mat are not specialized treatment devices for dementia and Alzheimer's. Dr. George Grant conducted a clinical trial using the Biomat and Acoustic Mat on 12 Alzheimer's patients. The acoustic mat provides microvibrations with healing music, while the Biomat emits amethyst far-infrared rays. This trial, the first to explore thermotherapy and vibroacoustic therapy as treatments for Alzheimer's, showed rapid preventive and therapeutic effects. The study, published in Acta Scientific Neurology under the title Preventing and Possibly Reversing Dementia Alzheimer's Using Thermotherapy Vibroacoustic Therapy, presents a new potential treatment for Alzheimer's. While the mechanisms remain unclear, a recent Nature article suggests that these therapies might stimulate brain lymphatic vessels, helping to clear brain waste. An upcoming YTN News segment will explore this potential mechanism further. If the waste produced by brain activity accumulates without being discharged, it damages nerve cells and leads to brain diseases such as dementia. Therefore, it is very important to discharge the waste in the brain. But until now, we did not know exactly how to discharge it. Korean researchers have identified the central pathway of waste in the brain for the first time in the world, suggesting a new way to treat dementia.
When we use our brains, the brain produces a type of waste. And when it builds up instead of leaving the brain, it damages nerve cells and causes brain diseases like dementia. The problem is that the pathway for cerebrospinal fluid, including waste products, to escape has been a mystery. Now, researchers in Korea have identified a central pathway for cerebrospinal fluid to flow out of the brain. The cerebrospinal fluid would collect in the nasopharyngeal lymphatic chamber at the back of the nose, which would then lead to the neck lymphatic vessels and neck lymph nodes, which would drain the cerebrospinal fluid out.
Using special mice that express fluorescent proteins in lymphatic vessels, our team was able to precisely visualize the cerebrospinal fluid drainage pathways in the base of the brain and neck region. The key conclusion is that the nasopharyngeal lymphatic network is the hub of the cerebrospinal fluid drainage pathway.
The researchers found that the nasopharyngeal lymphatic network deforms with aging, reducing cerebrospinal fluid drainage, while neck lymphatic vessels do not deform with age. The medication induced the contraction and relaxation of muscle cells in the lymphatic vessels in the neck, which acted like a pump to facilitate the drainage of cerebrospinal fluid.
We will develop a method to efficiently stimulate the lymphatic vessels in the neck region to facilitate the drainage of cerebrospinal fluid. It will provide a new foundation for the prevention and treatment of neurodegenerative brain diseases, including dementia.
The researchers found that the drainage of waste-containing cerebrospinal fluid can be easily accomplished from the neck rather than the head, which they say could be a key to treating dementia.